I'm going to be showing you how to make the Bootstrap JavaScript work within our React project. Now, I made a previous tutorial about how to install Bootstrap, and I realized that I forgot to show you how to make the JavaScript work, because some things in Bootstrap require you to have the Bootstrap JavaScript file installed, which is basically going to be used for something like the carousel or drop downs or pop-ups or stuff like that, basically. But as you can see right here, our drop down isn't working, and the reason for that is the JavaScript file required within our React app to make the Bootstrap JavaScript functions work, that is not added here. That is not imported into our project. So to do that, it's very simple. Just copy this one, okay? And in this, just go to the JavaScript folder, okay? Then add the bootstrap.js, okay? That is it. That is all you need to do. And just save that. And it's loaded. Now, as you can see, the JavaScript file is working, and that's why all of this is working right now. Because when previously we did not have the file, it did not work. And right now we added the file, we imported it into our project, and now it's working. So this was a very short tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be adding more and more tutorials about Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS, and also about forms and authentication systems and how to make a login form and stuff like that. So subscribe to the channel for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.